In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Grammarly Premium. Whether you're writing emails, essays, or creative content, Grammarly Premium is an invaluable tool that offers advanced features to refine your work. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll need to visit Grammarly's official website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and simply type Grammarly into the search bar. Clicking on the official Grammarly link should take you straight to their homepage, where you'll see options to either sign up or log in if you already have an account. If you already have an account, click on the option that says I have an account. For this tutorial, we'll be logging in with an existing account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to type in the email you used to register your account with Grammarly. Once entered, go ahead and click on Continue. After clicking Continue, you'll be directed to the Grammarly homepage. Here, locate the option for your account settings, typically found in the top right corner. Clicking on this will bring down a menu, and you'll want to select Account to proceed. In your account settings, find and click on Subscription. This is the section where you can manage your current subscription and upgrade to Grammarly Premium. You might see various subscription options depending on the promotions available. To continue, select the Get Started option, which will guide you to the billing details. Now you'll see options for choosing a billing cycle. Grammarly offers several plans such as monthly, quarterly or annual, so pick one that suits your needs and budget best. After selecting the billing cycle, the next step is to choose your payment method. You can usually pay by credit card, and there may be other options available such as PayPal or direct debit. Once you've selected your preferred payment method, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Fill in your credit card information carefully, ensuring there are no typos. Mistakes here could delay the process. Once the required details are filled, review them to ensure everything is correct. To finalize your purchase and activate your Grammarly Premium subscription, click on Complete Purchase. After a moment for processing, you should receive a confirmation that your purchase was successful. And there you have it, you are now equipped with Grammarly Premium. Enjoy the enhanced writing features and the peace of mind